Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. I want to show you my new Gevi coffee bean grinder. I got this because I wanted to see how fresh ground coffee tasted, and I'm so glad I did. I got it at a value. It's super simple to use. One of the first things I really want to show you is that it has a little compartment on the bottom to store your cord, to keep everything nice and neat. The other thing I want to show you is the size. You can compare it here to my coffee cup. It doesn't take up a lot of space on my counter. Now, the other thing that I really like about it is that it's not noiseless, but it is quieter than some coffee grinders. I've been able to use it with my 2-year-old and my newborn asleep in the next room. It hasn't woken them up, and that's a win for me. It's so simple to use. It comes with a scoop. You put your beans in, push the power button. You can control how fine you want to grind the beans for different flavors, and that's it. I use this a lot. I use it in the mornings, the afternoons, sometimes in the evenings. I really think you're going to enjoy it, and that's my point of view.